Discover the secrets to transforming your small bathroom into a modern oasis of style and functionality in just a few minutes. Ready to unlock the secrets to a modern small bathroom makeover that's both stylish and functional? Dive in with us. Hello everybody, and welcome to our home decor cozy corner on your channel, HD Interiors. In today's video, where we'll dive into the world of modern small bathroom design. Whether you're dealing with limited space or simply aiming for a sleek and contemporary look, these ideas will help you transform your bathroom into a stylish and functional space. Designing a small bathroom can be a challenge, but with the right strategies, you can make the most out of every inch. In this video, we'll explore 6 key ideas that will elevate your bathroom design game and make your space feel more open, airy, and inviting. From choosing the right fixtures to maximizing storage and harnessing natural light, we've got you covered with practical tips and inspiration. So, if you're ready to revamp your bathroom and create a modern oasis, keep watching. Let's kick things off with sleek fixtures and minimalist decor, a winning combination for modern small bathrooms. The idea here is to keep things simple yet elegant, creating a clean and uncluttered look that maximizes visual space. When choosing fixtures like faucets, shower heads, and accessories, opt for designs with clean lines and contemporary finishes. Think stainless steel, matte black, or brushed nickel for a modern touch that complements any color scheme. Minimalist decor is all about decluttering and focusing on essentials. Keep surfaces clear and organized, using sleek storage solutions like wall-mounted cabinets or floating shelves to tuck away toiletries and towels. A clutter-free environment not only looks more spacious, but also makes cleaning a breeze. By embracing sleek fixtures and minimalist decor, you can create a modern small bathroom that's both visually appealing and functional. Stay tuned for more tips to elevate your bathroom design game. Next up, let's talk about the magic of neutral colors when it comes to designing a small bathroom. Neutral tones like whites, soft grays, and beige are your best friends in creating a sense of spaciousness and brightness. These colors reflect light beautifully, making the room feel larger and more open. They also provide a versatile canvas for adding accents or pops of color through accessories, towels, or artwork. When choosing a color palette, consider lighter shades for walls, floors, and fixtures. You can add depth and interest by incorporating textures like marble, wood, or ceramic tiles in neutral hues. By harnessing the power of neutral colors, you can transform your small bathroom into a serene and inviting space that feels airy and light-filled. Stay tuned for more tips on designing a modern small bathroom. Now, let's talk about how large mirrors can work wonders in visually expanding your small bathroom. Mirrors are not just functional, but also serve as powerful design elements that can make a space feel larger and more spacious. Consider incorporating a large mirror in your bathroom, strategically placed to reflect natural light and create the illusion of depth. This not only adds a touch of elegance, but also enhances the overall brightness of the room. A full-length mirror or a mirrored wall can amplify this effect, making the bathroom appear more open and airy. Additionally, mirrors can also be used to highlight certain features or create focal points within the space. So, if you're looking to maximize visual expansion and create a brighter atmosphere in your small bathroom, don't underestimate the impact of a well-placed large mirror. Stay tuned for more creative ideas to elevate your bathroom design. Next on our list is the concept of a floating vanity, a game changer when it comes to optimizing floor space in a small bathroom. Unlike traditional vanities that sit on the floor, a floating vanity is mounted to the wall, creating an illusion of more floor area. By freeing up the space underneath, a floating vanity gives your bathroom a more spacious and uncluttered feel. This design not only adds a modern touch, but also makes cleaning and maintenance easier. Floating vanities come in various styles and finishes, allowing you to choose one that complements your bathroom's aesthetic. Many designs also include built-in storage options like drawers or shelves, providing functional storage without compromising on style. So, if you're looking to create a sleek and open look while maximizing floor space in your small bathroom, consider opting for a floating vanity. Now, let's talk about the importance of vertical storage solutions in maximizing space and organization in your small bathroom. Vertical storage is a smart and efficient way to make the most of limited square footage. Consider incorporating shelves, tall cabinets, or wall-mounted storage units to utilize vertical space effectively. These storage solutions not only help keep your bathroom essentials organized, but also free up valuable counter and floor space. You can use vertical storage for towels, toiletries, and other bathroom necessities, making them easily accessible yet out of the way. Additionally, vertical storage can add a decorative element to your bathroom, allowing you to showcase plants, artwork, or decorative baskets. By harnessing the power of vertical storage solutions, you can declutter your small bathroom and create a more spacious and functional environment. Stay tuned for more tips and inspirations to elevate your bathroom design. Let's shed some light on incorporating natural light into your small bathroom through windows or skylights. Bringing natural light into your small bathroom can work wonders for its overall ambience and functionality. If your bathroom has a window, make the most of it by keeping it unobstructed and using light, sheer curtains to allow sunlight to filter through. Positioning the mirror strategically opposite the window can also help reflect and amplify natural light throughout the space. If your bathroom doesn't have a window, or if you're looking to enhance natural lighting further, consider installing a skylight. A skylight not only adds a unique architectural element but also floods the room with natural light, making it feel more open and inviting. It's a fantastic way to brighten up a small bathroom without sacrificing privacy. When incorporating natural light, it's essential to strike a balance between illumination and maintaining privacy. Frosted or textured glass windows or skylights can provide both natural light and privacy, creating a comfortable and welcoming atmosphere in your small bathroom. By harnessing the power of natural light through windows or skylights, you can create a bright and airy space that feels more spacious and enjoyable. We've covered 6 key ideas to help you design a modern small bathroom that's both stylish and practical. 1. Sleek fixtures and minimalist decor. Opt for clean lines and modern accessories to create a contemporary look while keeping the space clutter-free. 2. Neutral colors for space and light. Use light, neutral colors to make the room feel more spacious and airy. 3. Large mirrors for visual expansion. Incorporate a large mirror to visually expand the space and add elegance. 4. Floating vanities for floor space. Maximize floor space with a floating vanity that offers storage without taking up too much room. 5. Vertical storage solutions. Utilize vertical space with shelves or cabinets to keep essentials organized and within reach. 6. Natural light through windows or skylights. Bring in natural light to brighten up the space and create a welcoming ambience. By implementing these ideas, you can transform even the smallest of bathrooms into a modern oasis that meets both your aesthetic and functional needs. Don't be afraid to get creative and personalize these ideas to suit your unique style and preferences. To wrap it up, designing a modern small bathroom doesn't have to be daunting. By incorporating sleek fixtures, neutral colors, large mirrors, floating vanities, vertical storage solutions, and natural light, you can transform even the tiniest space into a stylish and functional oasis. Remember, the key is to maximize every inch of space while maintaining a clean and uncluttered look. Personalize these ideas to fit your preferences and make your small bathroom a reflection of your style and personality. We hope these tips and inspirations have sparked your creativity and given you the confidence to tackle your bathroom design project. Don't be afraid to experiment and have fun with it. Thanks for joining us in this exploration of modern small bathroom design ideas. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more home design tips and inspiration. Until next time, happy designing!